Hi! Okay, today we're going to talk about how to add a terms and conditions check mark to the bottom of your forms and or checkout pages. Okay, so first I'm going to start with a form because I feel like this is usually where you want to have that terms and conditions checkout. So I'm going to navigate to my Get Started page. And if you click here for your checkout and you go to Settings, you can scroll down here to Additional Fields. So this is where you can add a field that you want to ask somebody who is checking out. Like for example, we ask, where did you find us? That's valuable information for us, for the record. And so you can click Add a Field and you can do Accept Terms. Now, if you click on this Edit tab right here, you can change what the description is. I accept the terms and conditions. You can go ahead and link this to a terms and conditions page on your website. And then that's pretty much it. So if I go ahead and I click out here, it kind of added this little thing right here. So it's taking a minute to update. I save. If I open it in a new tab, it's right here. I accept the terms and conditions. You can also make sure that this is required. If you go back to that additional fields, click on the edit, and this is a required field. So unless they check mark that box, they can't continue on your checkout. You can also not make it a required field if you know that's what you want to do, but I do recommend that it's required. And that's it. You can also do the exact same thing with a form. I'm going to go ahead and import a form in here, just drop it so I can show you for example. So this is your form. It automatically opens up editing the fields. So I assume you want to do name, email, and maybe accept terms and conditions for like a freebie that you offer. Same situation. Click on the plus, click on accept terms, and it automatically adds that checkbox right there.